This is my bird. My new bird. I love her. Yeah. Yeah. You're so cute. Her name's Silver. Hello, Silver. She's a girl, by the way. She's a girl. I know it's a boy. It's a boy name, but yeah. She is 7 weeks old. Hello. And she is very tired. Hello. She's not scared. This is her first day with us. Woohoo! You like cameras, don't you? You like things like this. She is I forgot the name of this bird. I forgot the name of this bird. He's so cute. It's cockatiel. I know it's not it's not like Pikachu, but yeah, it's still a cockatiel. Say goodbye. Wave goodbye. I know you can wave. Bye. Now. Yeah. Now. Come out. Yeah. You're so cute. Goodbye.